January always feels like the longest month of the year, but we've almost made it to the end. And whilst this week started wet and windy, there is something a bit drier coming. Here are 5 things to know. 1. Did you wake up to a bang this morning? Heavy, thundery rain and intense winds pushed in overnight, with more wet and windy weather to come as we head into Tuesday, particularly across parts of the south and west. Now, this is due to an area of low pressure moving across the UK, and it's actually another storm, Storm Erminia, but this one has been named by the Spanish Met Service as it's causing greater issues there. For the UK, it won't be nearly as impactful as Storm Eowyn. Speaking of which, 2. Storm Eowyn was a major feature. The lowest pressure recorded was 941.9 hectopascals at Tyree. This is the lowest from any storm since we started naming them 10 years ago. Little wonder it brought so much disruption with gusts of 90 to 100 miles per hour. But looking ahead, and 3. Whilst more heavy rain is likely in the far south on Wednesday, a couple of ridges of high pressure will bring some calmer weather on both Thursday and Friday, albeit with a bit of rain in between. However, 4. By the weekend, low pressure to the northwest of the UK means we're going to have some more wind and rain, mainly in the north and west. But with that, temperatures are going to rise as well. And finally, 5. You may have seen it already, but the planetary parade will continue this week. Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can all be seen with the naked eye, and Uranus and Venus can be spotted too if you have a telescope. Some nights this week, particularly Wednesday night, should be clear enough to see this, though you'll have to wait until the end of February for Mercury to join in.